Yes, my people, this is Santa Cruz St. Elizabeth. Trust me, government I do a good job. I have to give my thumbs up. Trust me, I work very hard and stuff. People them come collect the money. You know the COVID right now, and people really in need of some money. So people them at Santa Cruz Western Union. And this is a good look for Jamaica. So just take a good look on the people them come collect the money on a Sunday. I have to give Prime Minister a thumbs up. Look at the crowd, people. Look at the crowd. Look at the crowd in Santa Cruz. Look at the line. Santa Cruz Western Union full today. Trust me, they need more than workers to support them people today. Look at the crowd, people. Santa Cruz St. Elizabeth. People can collect their COVID money. But there is no cooperation over there. No cooperation. The police are working very hard today. No cooperation. And the people them don't remember say COVID a go around, so they must keep them distance. So the people them don't really cooperate. And this is a big problem today. So you don't know say if somebody have a virus, a lot of people are catch it today because nobody remember say COVID a go on. But they need to remember that keep them distant. But no distance taking place right now. Everybody just bungle up one place, and that is not good. Look at the line, people. Look at the line. People them turn out in numbers. First it's ever happened in history. First in Jamaica. First, so the Prime Minister, thumbs up. We love to look at it. And trust me, he need to do many more of this for his Jamaican people. Because in times like these, people really need something in their hand. I know it's gonna be very hard for the elderly persons and stuff. So I wish if the police could give them some support for the elderly persons, because you know we have to look out for the elderly persons them. So police need to look out for that too, very keenly. Senior citizen. Years me I look for see something like this. Years. And it just happened in 2020 under the JLP government. It's not a political thing, you know, it's just reality. What's taking place right now in Santa Cruz St. Elizabeth. Prime Minister he's working really hard. Social distance, my people. Social distance. Please and thanks. Please. This will cause more problem to Jamaica if somebody have the virus right there right now, because everybody just bungling up and stuff. Not looking good at the moment. Not looking good at the moment. Yes, my people. Taking a little bit closer to the crowd. Look at the crowd, my people. Look at the crowd.